Hi दोस्तों, welcome to our channel Sheeda Cashier. In this video, I am gonna tell you how to download Kinemaster without watermark. In our phone, you have to see the Kinemaster. I have to uninstall it first. Now you can see the application is removed from my phone, and now we will go on Google Chrome and search here Kinemaster without watermark. Here you see this type of icon, this type of file, but you have to click on this. When you have to click on this, you have to scroll down, and see here download Kinemaster Pro app. You have to click on that. When you have to click on that, you have to again select this download Kinemaster Pro app. The option will open. Scroll down, more scroll down. You have to wait for this timer. When you are trying to wait these type of file open, you have to select number 3rd. Download 6.1.5.27. You have to click on it. And do you want to download Kinemaster CC V6? You have to click on download. You can see the application of 1.108 MBs. So I will start my video again. You can see this application is downloaded. I have to click on open and install. Now you can see how it going to install. It may take some time, but the application will be run on my phone. Now you can see the Kinemaster scanning for virus, app setting, and it's done. Now you can see again the Kinemaster is available in my phone without watermark. You have to open and use it for your phone. Welcome. OK, click on the OK button and still join Telegram. No, you have to select the close option, and now it's Kinemaster installed in our phone. You can see.